Well, what's up, guys? Welcome to this back with another video of how you guys doing today. We just woke up, so yeah. So let's see what it brings. What? Yeah. Oh yeah. What are you saying? Yeah. What, Snowy? Nice. These are from the garden out back. Nice. Yeah. From the garden out back. So, yeah. Oh, right now, my mom's just airing out the truck from the water that was in the back of it. Yeah. So let's go check that out. Shall we? Okay. Water. And this is where all the crap is. So, yeah. Oh, I just put the beer in the fridge, in the downstairs fridge. So, yeah. So, yeah. So, yeah. Let there be air. Yeah, let there be air.
It's the day you've come along. the moon dancing. Like I promised, they're my present for you. I really hope you like them too. Don't forget, you're the only one I love. I promise you, you'll never be alone. It's gonna be
Oh, working on the recap video now. So, yeah, so, yeah, so. Anyways, you get into this vlog, and I know, because tomorrow, not sure what's gonna happen, so, well, hope you enjoyed today's vlog, so, thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget, keep positive.